Our next gadget, in my opinion, is one of the most exciting ones. If you're the kind of person that is always the first to jump in the water, well, this one is definitely for you. This is a Sublue White Shark underwater scooter, and it turns any swim, snorkel, or shallow dive into a full-on underwater adventure. So on the top, we've got the flotation wing, which feels incredibly light. So this wing keeps the scooter stable as well as keeping it afloat. Underneath, we must have some power here. Awesome. These are the twin propellers. And these, combined with the wing, are supposed to give you a really smooth feeling through the water that makes you feel like you're flying. How cool is that? And underneath, we must have some power, a battery somewhere. Yeah, we've got a battery pack and a little leash and a nice handy little bag. Okay, so here it is. We've attached the wing onto the main body, and how cool does it look? I just love the orange and blue design that they've gone for in this model. It's incredibly easy to use. All you have to do is grab the handles, pull the triggers, and then you're off. Which I was actually surprised how much power you get out of just these little propellers. Depending on your weight, you can get over 3 miles an hour, which doesn't sound like a lot, but that is faster than the average person can swim with flippers on, with basically no effort. The battery lasts for around 30 minutes, giving you plenty of range. But if you do want extra range, you can buy extra batteries and change them out really easily. One thing I love about Sublue design is it's lightweight and compact and doesn't take up much space, which is a huge plus if you're on a boat, in a van, or however you travel around. I think this is one you can have endless fun with. So whether you're someone who loves swimming, snorkeling, or underwater filming, having a scooter gives you so much more range. So yes, this one might be in a bit of an investment, but I think you'll use it over and over again.